How to add money on Monzo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add money on Monzo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To add money on Monzo bank app, you have to deposit the funds. Now there are many ways to deposit. You can either receive the money from someone, you can deposit checks, or you can link your other details to basically add money on Monzo. So make sure you download the Monzo mobile banking app and then go ahead and then open the Monzo app here. If you are new to Monzo, by the way, you can tap on I'm new to Monzo to finish creating a Monzo account, or you can directly tap the I already have an account option here, and then just make sure to enter the email address that you provided. So once you enter the email address, you can just tap the next option over here to log in using your password, and then after you log in, you'll find the option to deposit and add the money to your Monzo bank account. This way you can add money on Monzo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.